quite original car here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Let's take a look at this one. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Sport Coupe or two-door hardtop. Original numbers matching engine, L48 350 underneath the hood. C&J suffix code. Also an original 4-speed factory equipped car. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front grille. Headlight surrounds, chrome in the front bumper. Paint color on this one, forest green, number 48. Also would have come with the green vinyl top, original from the factory. $795, green trim, and we're going to get into more in here in just a bit. First of all, take a look at the still pictures. Look at the underside. Look at the floor pans from the underside. Original sheet metal car. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out the still pictures. 507-386-1726 is where you can check out, or give us a call, I should say, if you'd like to know more about this car. As you can see, rally style wheels, center caps, beauty rings. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Paint does show its age some. Still a great car to take to your roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, and it is just so original. And then what a great year, 1970, of course. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You're going to be able to see how straight this car is. There may be a small, maybe nick here or there. So again, the paint's not perfect. One nice thing about that, don't have to worry about getting in the car and driving a little bit. And as you can see, it still shows very well. Bench seat, equipped car. Seatbelt still intact. There's your 4-speed. Very stock looking dash. And look at the condition of the vinyl top, also in very nice shape. Believed to be original miles. I'll get into that in just a little bit when I get around to the driver's side. Some of the things that are going to come with this car, now listen to this. It does have the build sheet, has the punch card, has the Protecto plate, and a lot of original manuals, some receipts, a whole folder full. Take a look at the still pictures. We took a bunch of pictures of that stuff too. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. So we look at the rear chrome. Another thing to remember is open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to look at this car yourself, maybe due to time or distance, not a problem. Have them come check out this car. You're going to find it's as original and comes with a lot of the original paperwork, just like I'm stating, and you can see in the still pictures and the video. Of course, we try to represent these cars as fairly as possible with all the pictures that are taken, the walk-around video, and stick around to the end of this video. You're going to see what it's like to take this car down the road, kind of a virtual ride in it, if you will. Again, you can see the driver's side, nice and straight. Again, there may be a small, like right here, give you an example, just a real small little ding in it, but you know what? This car's been used, it's been driven to the tune of approximately 70,000 miles, believed to be original miles in this car, which if you go through the paperwork and look at some of the receipts, completely believable. Unfortunately, it doesn't stick with the title. Once the car becomes a certain age, it's marked exempt. So unfortunately, I cannot confirm or deny that, but you look at the underside, you look at the engine bay, kind of look at the condition of the car, all the paperwork, and like I said, you'll see the receipts and miscellaneous receipts where there's miles recorded on that. Very believable. All right, let's take a look at this interior. Dash. Look at the condition of the dash. This car's not sat outside for long periods of time. Did have the blower fan working. Did not get the radio to power up, just so you're aware of that. There's what the odometer reads, 70,391, believed to be original. Let's go ahead and fire this up. And every time I've started this car, you just barely turn that key and it fires up. It does have a new fuel tank you're going to see in the underside pictures. Good sounding car. We're in neutral. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Again, numbers matching, 350 L48. Underneath the hood, you'll be able to see the stamp on the pad of the block. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see the VIN, you're going to see the data tag. Sounds good. Nothing crazy over the top. It's a very original 70 Chevelle Malibu 2-door hardtop. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get the hood open. Let's check out that engine bay. All right, hood popped. Originality of this car continues through. Underneath the hood, has not had a DuPont makeover, if you will. Still looking very original. Now you see power steering. That was actually added. This car did not come equipped with power steering. But it's nice it's there, no doubt about that. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or maybe in between drives. Listen to how smooth that runs. How many times you still see this intact? Heat riser, choke. Heater hoses also still intact. Again, just very original looking engine bay, smooth running, 350, original engine paired up with that 4-speed manual transmission. Call us 507-386-1726. Don't expect this one to last too long. And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. All the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1970 Chevrolet Malibu. Green on green. You don't see that green interior that often. It actually is refreshing. Have a little change of color. Even the carpet is green. Black accents. This car is a 4-speed on the floor. Very good acceleration. This car runs very nice. Shifter feels good, the clutch feels good. Our windshield wipers are working, as is the blower motor. Very factory feeling, factory sounding car. Good condition interior. Headliner's nice. Steering wheel's clocked a little bit to the left. That doesn't affect how it performs at all. Letting go of the wheel. There's actually a slight drift to the right. It is very windy today though. The odometer reading 70,389 on the 5-digit odometer. Mostly warning lights in this car. We do have a speedometer working well, and a fuel gauge reading about a quarter of a tank. One thing about the GM cars, it's easy to find the gears. First, second, third, fourth, right where they should be. Feels nice. Easy to drive. We have floor vents in this car. I am a big fan of that as well. When you don't feel like having your windows open, you can still get that fresh air blowing in. Very stock seeming 1970 Chevrolet Malibu. Check out all the pictures and read about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.